what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles, and today I'm showing you guys how to play When I Close My Eyes Forever with by Lita and Ozzy. So I checked out some different videos and how she plays it live. Sometimes it's changing a little bit and it's hard to hear exactly on the record, but I think pretty much, and this is not for beginners, pretty hard. Let's go over the chords first. So we got this kind of A minor. So that's 7 and 5. 7 on the D and 5 on the G, open B and E. And then a power chord, a G power chord. So that's 5 and 7. Then an F power chord. Back to that. And then we have an F major 7 without the bass. So that's 3, 3, 2. Then A 9. So that's the chords for the verses and the chorus. Let's talk about the picking. So over the first A chord we got 5, 4, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The G, we got 4, 3, 2. 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 4, 3. Okay, let's do that whole thing again. And then over F, we got 4, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, let's do that again. Same pick in there again. This time we go 5, 4, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh yeah. And then you end with picking on 4. Get to the F major 7. We pick 5, 4, 3, 4. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. And then over the A9 we go down, straight down. And then we want to grab 1 on B and open. So, and then you pick 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. And with 2, 3. We're gonna get to a G, but we don't have to bar it. It sounds like 1, first finger, third, pinky. You leave the B and E string open. We got the bridge and the solo chords, which is B flat, G minor, D minor, C major, B flat, awesome song and good for picking exercise. It's not easy to keep track of all the different patterns. Alright guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day. Be safe.